How to fix keyboard not working on Windows device. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your keyboard not working on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So one of the easiest method you can do this is by updating your driver or disabling and then re-enabling it. So to do that, while we do that, you guys can use something called an on-screen keyboard, which you can find it in your apps section on your start menu. So here you can start typing whatever you want, and yeah, it will work instead of your keyboard. So yeah, use that. I will be using my normal keyboard. So right here, what you'll need to search for is Device Manager and open that up. After you open that up, here you should find your keyboard. So you can search for your keyboards. And there we go. There's the standard keyboard. Open that up and head over to driver. Update your driver. You can browse for drivers on your computers. Choose whichever one that you want and then tap on next. After you do that, your driver will have successfully been installed and you're basically good to go. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.